It's not as if she were a maniac for raving things. She just goes a little mad sometimes. We all go a little mad sometimes.
Primadonnas, back again today with another video, and I'm so excited, you guys, because finally we are going to be starting my Halloween series of 2020. So this is episode 1 of Primadonna Halloween. So I'm pretty sure the title gave it away, but yes, you guys, we are serving Nancy from the craft. We are giving you gothic bitch, bad bitch, big bad witch energy. You know what I'm saying? We are that witch. We're that witch, period. Like, The Craft is honestly one of my favorite Halloween movies to watch, honestly all-time year-round movie to watch. It's such a 90s grungy movie. Like, I love it. It literally screams 90s. So if you're a 90s baby, I'm pretty sure you know what The Craft is. So I decided to do Nancy because she's like the crazy psychotic one.
You're a witch.
Out of all of the witches, I feel like she has the most like badass look. She has the bold lip, the smoky eye, she has the nose rings. So I feel like this look, and the reason why I wanted to do this look first to jumpstart my Halloween series is because this is one of those looks that you could pull this out of your closet and you can figure out a costume, if you get me. So I wanted to start off with the easy one first. With this look, you just need a lot of black clothes, leather jacket, some witch accessories that I all got from the Halloween store. You guys, the epic spider. I feel like this is such a look, especially if you guys are not into the more detailed Halloween looks, you guys don't like scary stuff, you guys are not really artistic to draw no damn skull, clown, I got you, girl. So I wanted to give you guys a glam look, but something that is like completely opposite from what we do. So yeah, you guys, I literally went all out. Like I said, there's a little face tattoo, so you gotta get into the details, you feel me? And it's so crazy because they're actually coming out with the 2020 version of The Craft, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I hate that they took the whole grunginess out of it. I don't know, comment down below what you guys think of the new trailer of the new Craft movie. So yeah, let me know. Let's talk some tea in the comments. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely, you already know what to do. Keep on watching and definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you stay tuned to my next Halloween video, because I do got a few looks coming this year, you guys. I'm so excited to like slay all of them. So yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button. So, and thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Alright, you guys, jumping into voiceover. So the first thing you're gonna need for this look is definitely some contacts. These are from Desio and they're in the shade mint blue, I believe, and they're definitely very eye-catching, you guys. They definitely take my look from 0 to 100, because you guys know I definitely rock my natural brown eyes. So contacts are really gonna take it there for this look. Now moving on to my brows, you guys, I'm gonna naturally just fill in my brows the way I normally do, you know, regular with the pencil, but I am actually going to grab some black eyeshadow and fill them in and darken them up a bit, because like I said, we're going for a more gothic look in today's video. So this is actually just a matte black shadow, and this one is from Jouer, and this is in the shade Black Licorice. If you guys are OGs of my channel, y'all know this is my favorite matte black eyeshadow, and I pop it out every single Halloween. Y'all already know the vibe. So yeah, so once I got my brows laid on, I decided actually to go in with some Bioderma and actually do some cuts in the brows. I don't know, you guys, I didn't really want to copy Nancy's spot on. I wanted to give her like a modernized look, like, you know, make her a Primadonna version. So I was like, I don't know, in my head, if Nancy was actually a real life baddie, she would have cuts in her brows. I don't know. In my head, that's just what I wanted to do. So yeah, it's the little details for me in this look, you guys. Like I said, it is just a very simple black costume with some gothic makeup, but like I said, you can really make it your own and do your own little twist on it with fun little details. So once you got the eyebrow on and you got your slits, as you guys can see with the Bioderma, it literally just cut it super quick and easy. So now I'm just going to carve out my brow with concealer and also add the concealer in the little cuts as well. And yeah, girl, look how quick and easy. You guys can also use that trick for any other costume as well if you guys want to make it a bit edgy. So now moving on to the eyeshadow, I am going to be taking the Jeffree Star cremated palettes because you guys, this is just the tones that I want. They're very neutral, but they have a very cool undertone, which is definitely what I wanted for this look. And you guys, this is a very easy, simple eyeshadow look, not gonna front, because this one is like, all right, bitch, we gotta go. It's Halloween. I want to get drunk. I want to get lit. Bitches is calling me, like my phone is ringing, people's rushing you. So yeah, this is that type of look. So the first shade I'm going into is the shade Morgue, and I love these eyeshadows, you guys. I told you guys in my review that these eyeshadows have beautiful undertones, you guys, especially if you're like me and you're a little bit afraid of cool tones. You guys know I am a warm tone girl. These definitely do have a more wearable feel. So yeah, I am now going to take the shade Last Respects, and I'm just going to blend out that Morgue shade that we laid out in our outer corner. And yeah, I'm being super messy with this. As you guys can see, I'm blending out all of those harsh edges, also popping this onto my eyelid. You do not need to be precise with this look, bitch. It's Halloween. Nobody's really gonna care. I'm telling you, you're gonna be drunk at the end of the night, so do not stress it. Have fun with it. I also felt like it was going a little bit too gray, and like I said, I wanted her to still be, you know, a baddie, and I still want to feel comfortable, especially if I'm going to be doing this last minute for Halloween. So I decided to pop into the Nude Mood palette from ColourPop and just add a little bit more warmth into this eye look. And then jumping back into the cremated palette, we did go into the shade Death Blow, which is that beautiful matte popping all up in your face white eyeshadow. I was so impressed with this damn eyeshadow, bitch. I was like, girl, that inner corner is so poppin', and it's a matte, you guys. I decided to keep this look all matte, but for the brow bone, we do have a little bit of shimmer, which is also the shade Diamond Ashes as well in the palette. So, of course, we need some liner. So, this is the Tarteist Black Paint Liner. You guys, for some reason, this is another product that I always seem to use for Halloween. It's just the most black matte eyeliner. I love it. It's literally like paint. So, as you guys can see, I'm just applying it with a small little detailed brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm also going to extend my inner corner and do a little inner corner wing, but I decided to not do a wing on the outer corner. Instead, I decided to do more of a smoky feel and actually blend out those harsh edges on the outer corners with black eyeshadow. And then as you guys can see, I am also blending that out. I don't know, you guys, I didn't want to do it too much of a cat eye. I wanted it more of a gothic eye. But yeah, now moving on to lashes, I'm taking these gorgeous lashes from Pink Leaf Cosmetics, and these are in the style Trippy Hoe, because Nancy is definitely a trippy ass hoe. So can you guys see the vision? Like, these are perfect for their look. They're so pointy and spiky and super edgy. So yeah, they just went perfect, and they definitely made the contacts pop. And I also do have a coupon code, so definitely check out the description box. So quickly now we are going to jump into the face. I am taking my Beauty Creations. This is the Stay Flawless, I believe, foundation, and I will leave all of the products in the description box because you like, girl, I am doing Halloween looks and I kind of like get in my zone. So yeah, now we gotta snatch Nancy's face real quick. And of course, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Tantour Cream Bronzer, and girl, she is used and abused, so do not judge me, bitch. I love this stuff. And yeah, I'm taking this on a MAC small stippling brush, and I'm just gonna quickly give some dimension and some life to this face. You can definitely keep your contour more on the cool tone side because, like I said, this is more of a grungy dark look, but I feel like this is the most cool tone type of cream bronzer that I had. And yeah, so this is just what I use. I'm also gonna take my Jouer High Essential Liquid Coverage Concealer, and I'm gonna quickly highlight this face and definitely snatch this fucking nose, girl. We definitely need a very pinched nose for this Halloween, okay? Also comment below what you guys are going to be doing for Halloween. I know COVID is blowing hours, okay? It's not trying to let us live, but like, I have a daughter, so I'm still going to be, you know, still dressing up autumn and still making the best of it. So yeah, comment down below what you guys are going to be doing for Halloween. But anyways, jumping back in, I am quickly going to bronze up my face with this Essence Matte Bronze bronzing powder. And I wanted to go for more of a cool tone bronzer, like I said, because I didn't want her to look too warm. I'm also going to take this Milani Rose blush, and this one is more of a pinky shade. This is also going to really make the cool tones pop in your eyes. Also for the eyes, and last little detail, I did take the Plouise base. This one is in the shade 0, and it is just a white paint more or less. And then I also did take a black pencil on my outer corners. I'm so sorry that I didn't really get a lot of footage of my lower lash line. It's because, you guys, I was like super close to my mirror. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm also taking some black eyeshadow and really smudging my lower lash line. You guys, when you're going for a grungy look, feel free to drag that shit as far below as you want to. The farther low, the better, okay? So yes, we're going for a real smoky eye today. I also did decide to add a little cross on the side of my cheek for just some more little details for this look. Like I said, I didn't want it to be super basic, so I was just really trying to add where I see fit. And I'm also going to re-highlight my inner corner with that matte white eyeshadow as well. And that's really all for the eye look, you guys. So last but not least, we are going to do the lips. So I tried to get the darkest lip liner that I own because I do not have a black lip liner, and I really did not want to use black like eyeliner on my lips. So I did go in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bar, which is a really deep brown purple shade. And you guys, another option, like I said, because if you really look at Nancy, she actually really does wear a burgundy reddish type of lip. So if you guys really wanted to duplicate the movie, definitely feel free to just line your lips with Bar completely and then pop some red into the center, and that will definitely be Nancy spot on. But I decided, like I said, to do my version on it, and I wanted to do more or less like a grungy nude lip. So now I'm actually darkening up the liner with the black eyeshadow as well. So yes, you guys, I'm using eyeshadow on my lips. So for the center, I did go in with Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. So this is more of a nude now in the center. And you guys, the combination of just the darkness on the outer corner fading into nude in the center, I was just like, yes, I love it. So now finishing up the lips, this is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. I'm not sure the name, you guys, but it is a definitely cool tone nude, and I know that this is in the catsuit line. So yeah, I will always leave the products in the description box, so don't worry. But yeah, you guys, I feel like this lip definitely pulled this look together. I was so hyped. And last but not least, I did of course add a little birthmark, but I'm not sure if I actually got to film it on camera. But yeah, so I'm actually going to do my little nose rings, but quickly finish up with some setting spray. So this is the Milani Fruit Fetish setting spray in the scent Dragon Fruit. You guys, I just felt like this is going to be my new Halloween setting spray because it's red and I feel like it just goes. Anyway, so fanning off my setting spray, and I'm just so obsessed, you guys. So I did just pop on a little rhinestone to my nose. I did get the rhinestones from the Halloween store as well, and I did apply it with some lash glue. And as far as the hoop, you can get these on Amazon, you guys. Just type in a faux nose ring hoop and you guys will find them. They're super cheap. And yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy my first look for 2020. I had so much fun creating Nancy from the craft. It's definitely a look. She's definitely a vibe. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye.